Alright guys, how are you guys today? I'm going to be doing a declutter organizing of my son's playroom. Let me show you what it looks like, and then I'm going to tell you what I'm going to do first. Alright, so here is the mess. Granted, a lot of this is stuff that he's pulled out of here and then we just threw back in. Those two boxes right here are mine that I have to go through. This big kitchen, let me back up. I'm pretty sure this kitchen is going to be going either today or soon because I'm going to get a smaller one. I have all this. And then the closet. My goal is to make the closet to where he can go in and get things off of this shelf over here. So these boxes are going to go. I'm going to get some more boxes. I'm going to try and combine things. Up here will be like my stuff. So right now I'm just going to just put everything together that's supposed to go together. Like all the cars with the cars, all the superheroes with the superheroes. All the miscellaneous stuff goes in there. The bigger things, won't fit. Yeah. I have another sand thing upstairs, so I'm probably gonna combine those two. Alright, well let me get going on that, and then I'll be back. Alright guys, so I almost got it pretty much done. There's just a few things I'll have to do, which I'll show you as I'm walking you through it, so let's go. Okay, so this is an after. When we gained a kid. Looks a lot better.
Huh?
I said it looks a lot better.
In my playroom?
And then in here, I obviously have to do a little bit more. Okay, I got all that.
But you can see me here?
Yep, bye. Okay, and then I still have to go through this stuff. It's kind of more of like the junk toy box. You know, it's not junk. It's just doesn't really have a home. Yeah, so there we go. And you see that I got rid of the big kitchen. And this stuff was just a little bit neater here, but Kai was just playing with it. And then we have to get a new one of these because look at what happened. Oh well. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and take you through how I organized everything. Which I might change it up a little bit. I'm not sure. Oh, so good. Looking good. Looking good. So this is his cash register, and this used to sit on the big kitchen that was behind me. His racks I moved into a different container. And then this first one, I don't really know where to put this stuff yet, but this was kitchen stuff also. And then this is his like cars building set. You can take all these little pieces off and whatnot. And then his doctor / pet vet stuff. And I have to get a new one of these too because I had bought it, or someone gave it to me and then they painted it. So I'm just gonna buy some new ones from IKEA. And this is the sand, which I didn't go grab the other sand yet and put it in here, or put this in with the other sand. It's still upstairs, so I'm not quite sure what I'm going to do there. There's Legos, and then his Lego table. And then the plate is for, he can put pieces so they don't roll off or anything. And then some wooden blocks. These ones here are actually a Jenga game that I bought at Five Below. All his animals and dinosaurs. His Bob books. Then up here are his marbles. His Easter eggs.
Buy marbles, right?
Yeah, we bought them at Target. Kleenex. And then back behind here is a big like tent. And over here is all of his Fisher Price, or not Fisher Price, Play School Heroes and Imaginext Heroes, I guess. 2 chairs, which he used with his big kitchen. I don't know what we're gonna do with them yet. Some more blocks. Like I said before, this is just all miscellaneous stuff. His little baby, some more miscellaneous stuff here. His little robot dog. Some cleaning stuff, play cleaning stuff by Melissa and Doug. He really likes. You can say bye in a minute. And then back here are 2 lightsabers and a foam sword. Alright guys, well I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you have any questions, just leave comments down below on what certain toys are. I'm not going to list everything in the description box, but if you want to know, just go ahead and ask me. And we'll let you know. Give this video a like, comment, and subscribe.
Good night.